When you have a presentation to make, when you're recording your influencer video, when you need every word to be precise in its delivery, then you need the contents of this box. We'll open it up and introduce you to your own personal teleprompter straight ahead. Hi friends, Bill here, and today we're taking an up-close look at the contents of this pretty cool case from Neewer. Now what's in here and why does it matter? Well, every once in a while you might have an important presentation to make, perhaps to a live audience, maybe it's in a video recording setting, where every word, every fact, every key point needs to be precisely delivered. And instead of, especially in a video recording sense, instead of taping a piece of paper off to the side where everybody can tell you're reading it, what if you had your own personal teleprompter? So that's what we're unveiling for you here today from Neewer. This is the X14. This is the prompter that I personally use, although, as you can tell, I'm not using it right now. And this has such a convenient setup and usage that it makes life super easy for the presenter pretty much at all times. Let me walk you through what's in the box. This is pretty much it, right? The simplicity of this is what appealed to me the most at the very beginning. So the key, this is the reflective mirror. We'll show you why that's important here in a moment. It all just folds up. And then there is a protective or a light guarding, light shielding hood, because your camera, whether it's your DSLR, whether it's your iPhone or some other camera, will sit on this track. It will slide its way up in here, and then that camera is what you'll be looking into while you read the words that are reflected off the front. How do the words reflect off the front? Well, your phone or your tablet, your iPad, whatever you're using for your teleprompter app goes onto this slide out tray. And then it is reflected back into the prompter. It's reversed image up onto the screen, and that's what you're reading. But I want to tell you right now that I've been super impressed by pretty much everything that I've used from Neewer. We've reviewed their lights, their microphones. We've done a little bit of everything over the past few months and been using their products for a long time. And that is a quick flyover look at this Neewer teleprompter and how it all comes together, how it all works, and how it can all help you be more precise in delivering the messages you're trying to deliver.